So here is the app called KASUAL. That's a dating app. It's getting quite high in the charts. Formerly Yumi, anonymous hookup app, privacy and anonymity. That's basically how it works. We never ask you for your personal information, not your Facebook phone number and email, nothing. We don't require your face to be in any of your pictures. So yeah, KASUAL cards, you don't need to pay to send a message. It's 100% free. So then you can just open it up, and then yeah, you can continue with Apple, or you can continue anonymously, and then you can select these ideas, and then you can select your age, and then you can just take a picture. So basically I'm just showing you an example here just as a test. And then yeah, you can get verified, and then you can upgrade. So here you can see all the plans: 1 month $20, 3 months $40, 6 months $60, and then yeah, basically then you can just flip a card to get a potential match. I don't know how legit is this app. Are there a lot of bots and spams and all of things? Seems like that. And also not sure whether this app is available worldwide, or that's what it is. Again, then probably you'll need to upgrade. So that's what it is. Then you have messages. Then if you want, you can boost. Then there is your profile. Then there are settings, account. You can always sign out. You can always so basically, if you just created anonymous account, you just need to be careful, because when you deleting or installing the app, all of these can be lost. So just be careful. Yeah, so then just what it is. There is some help. If you want to remove your account, you will need to do it directly in the app. Please note that you'll permanently lose your matches. Go to settings, privacy, security, delete an account. So yep, that's the process.